Guys, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. So hope you guys doing well. So today I'm going to discuss one of the scenarios. So sometimes we need a request from the developer side uh, on a development database. They did the testing on a particular table, okay, and they found it. They need to take the backup of that particular table because there are some corrupted data on that particular table. They need to delete the records, but before deleting the records they want to take the backup of particular table. Okay, so normally they are doing, if they have the credential and all, it should be from their side only, but sometimes it's coming the request to our side also to take the backup of particular table, and they will fix the data on that particular table. They will play with that table and later they will adjust the records. Okay, so how to do that? So I'm going to show you the quick tips about that, taking the backup of a particular table. So before starting, I would request to whoever new on my channel, please like to subscribe and go to the SQL Server DBA playlist and watch the remaining videos. Thank you. So let me connect my management studio. So this is my management studio. So let's assume here the database tech02 and go to table, and here let's assume any table like a database logs. So need to take the backup of that particular table. So how we'll do, we'll go to new query command, and here we type select star from star into, give database name tech02 schema dbo, and the table database log, and from. So here you need to give the table name, like I am giving the table, I am creating a table inside the database tech02 database log old, and it will take the backup from the table, the same database tech02, and the table is database log. Okay, so this is the command. So what this command will do, select into, this will take the backup of database log and it will create a new table inside the tech02 itself. So let me execute. If you can see 1596 rows affected. If you go and refresh the database, let me do the refresh. If you see the tables, here definitely one database log old table created, and for that table also if you select the records, it is there. So through this way only you can create a backup of a particular table if you ask any request to take the backup of a particular table. So what the now developer will do, they will delete the data records if they want to delete the couple of year records, or maybe some corruption is happened. So they will do, because now we are safe, we have taken the backup of particular table here itself. Okay, so through this way you can do it. It's a very easy command, select into. I just want to share to you guys how to take the backup of a particular table. Just need to type the select into command and give the new table name and from which table you want to take the backup. That's it. So well, that's it for today guys. Hope you got my point. Sometimes we are getting this kind of request also. It's very helpful. In the next session I will come with the another tips. Till then, bye bye, thank you, and whoever new my channel, please like to subscribe. Thank you.